Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin and today on Dash and Run we're going to be having a look at this. Now this is from TELESIN and this is a battery charging box for your GoPro Hero 9, 10 and 11, and this will allow you to charge 3 batteries at once. So anyway, let's get into the packaging, see what we've got, and we'll go from there. Okay, so the first thing out of the box is this very thin manual, and this will give you a bit of a guide on how to operate this little charging box. So that's the first thing out of it. Next is this cable here, which is a USB-C cable with one end being USB, and this is for plugging in the little box for using for charging, and they do include a cable as well. And finally we've got the little charging box itself, and as you can see it's very small and it's quite compact. Now this little charging box has 3 LED lights on the front, and they change colour as it's charging the battery, starting with red and then going to orange and then green when it's finally charged. So it's good that they've got lighting for each of the different batteries that you put in here. And then on this side you've got a USB-C port for charging. Now when you open it up you can see that it can take 3 batteries, which is really handy, and then you've also got a place for 2 micro SD cards, and the lid is magnetic too, so it holds itself when you clamp it down, which is really awesome as well. So next let's get some batteries. So I've got a couple of GoPro batteries here, so we'll just put those in like so, and then I'll bring in a battery bank and we'll just plug this in. And I'll show you it charging up so you can see how it works. So get that some power, and then you can see that this battery on this side is charged up already, but this one needs to be charged and is red. So it's good that it gives you an indication of what battery is ready to go when you want to use it. And overall this is a great little add-on. So if you've got a GoPro and you want extra batteries and a little charger, this is something I could recommend. Anyway, I'm Justin, and as always, thanks for watching. And please subscribe to my channel.